I am Jitendra Chopra, President of Aluminium Extrusion Manufacturers Association of India, ALEMAI, and our association is almost 2 years old, and we are coming with the India's first ever aluminium extrusion products exhibition, ALUMEX India 2025, on date 10 September to 13 September at Pragati Maidan, Hall number 6, New Delhi. This exhibition, for some vision and for some reason, we want to stop, we want to block the imports in India. The foreign materials, finished goods from various FTA countries, ASEAN and some Gulf countries and some other countries exporting their material under the FTA agreement in zero duty. These imports are hurting our industry, our domestic industry. We want to show our Indian industry, our Indian common man, our Indian importers, Indian businessmen that India is producing all things which you are importing in India. Yes, we may be some expensive than other countries because of they have the benefit of zero duty, but come see, there will be owners, technicians, decision takers, stakeholders everywhere where you can meet and ask them for your designs, for your product. They will give you spontaneous reply and production of our products. So come and see the Indian products. Make in India, boost the Make in India program, avoid to import. So we are coming with this exhibition for this reason. Second reason is to present our products, our problems, our pain to the government of India, government of states, that what MSME, what our industry need to boost the production, need the increase the MSME development. So this is the reason we are coming with this exhibition. And after this today we are Chennai. Before Chennai we were having the press meet and get together in Bengaluru, in Kolkata, in Mumbai, in Ahmedabad. Next we are going to Jaipur, Cochin and Delhi. So I request all the aluminum stakeholders, industries, those who are using the aluminum extrusion and common man, come and see the Indian industry growth, Indian industry's products, and help us to stop the imports in India. Thank you. Thank you very much.